In the red corner, Keleber Peralta. Please welcome to the ring, Jockens Baptise.
Fight. So our man Peralta right there is also Ecuadorian, and Jockens is Haitian.
Overstepping.
Wow. There we go, the jab. Oh, man.
You know what?
Oh, we saw that.
And really good ability to catch people, especially in between.
Shout in Portuguese, you could probably understand. And I heard some French. Okay. Oh, good thing he spun around.
Oh, they're standing on business.
Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. I was looking for. Nice. There, that's the jab cross. That's the jab cross. Yeah. Wow.
Corner is more composed as well. Red corner is.
All right, here we go. Here we go.
Final round, baby.
Final round. Like you said, no! There it is. Oh!
Wow! Nice!
Oh!
Gosh!
Someone's gonna get knocked down.
Shot.
Oh! Wow! Wow! Oh!
Beautiful Superman punch. He did that switch kick. He needs to bring those.
Oh, nice hook! Nice lead hook. No, another good lead hook. He got him. Wow! I think. Wow! I think Blue has done enough to win this, man. I think. Yeah, like you predicted. Yeah.